Welcome back to TBoneCustoms.com. So after about a 10-minute bitch session and scream like a sailor, I kick the dog around a few times. We go ahead and remove it, okay? I know it's kind of funny to watch me run around like a chicken with my head cut off. Laugh it up, bitches. Come on. Okay. I like to swear a lot. I don't know if you guys can tell. Okay. Now remove the center section. Oh! Impeller. This is your cast iron exhaust housing. Okay. So if you look, we got the warranty paint right here. Most turbo shops will paint those. That way they know if it was tampered with. And you got this side. You see how it's ground away over here? And it's ground away over here? That happens from the balancing job. When they balance the turbo, it's best to make sure it goes back together. What we do is we scribe it again. I use a tungsten welding rod. So what we do is we just scribe it across the nut. And that's it. Easy enough. Take a bench vise. Put this section in the bench vise. Not too tight. Make sure I got a good shot of this. Go up a come here. There we go. Okay. Now we get us a 12 mil, I believe it is. Now it's very important to make sure you use a good combination wrench on this because it's multi-sided. So what we do is we just crack this bad boy. It's left-hand threads too, boys. So it's going to remember that. And sorry, ladies. Okay, put that there. Now we're going to need some place to put these parts on. That way we don't contaminate them with much more shit. Usually what I do is I use lacquer thinner for cleaning all this. Lacquer thinner is very good. Slide that off. Bam. And we take these off. Figures. Seven sixteenths. Watch. No. Is it an 8 millimeter? Well, only one left. 9 millimeter. Oh, of course. It's gotta be a pain in my ass. Three-eighths. That's the winner. You really don't need to scribe this part right here because